Chef Yoda the dog here. Well, I don't have my chef's hat on, but that's because my mom took me to get groomed, and the groomer gave me a mohawk, and my mom thought it was cute and wanted you to see it. So as soon as I could get this thing down, I got it down, but here's the evidence that I did have a mohawk when I came home from the groomers the other day. Anyway, we're here to talk about Memorial Day dishes for our Memorial Day cookout because my mom had to make these dishes the day before Memorial Day, so our Monday meal is actually our Sunday meal because we are not going to eat it till Monday, but she had to make it on Sunday because both of the things had to be cold and in the refrigerator. So one thing that she made is called it's called Easy Vegan Macaroni Salad, but she didn't make it vegan. She put chicken in it. So you'll see what she did there in the video, but it's from her friend, thecheaplazyvegan.com. So she'll put the link to the original recipe in the video below. Box below, and then also she made one of her friends, Mama Ray Ray, in the kitchen. She made her no-bake cookies and milk pie, I think is what it's called. Dunked milk cookie, chocolate chip cookie pie, something like that. You actually dunk the cookies in milk before you put them in the pie, and you don't have to bake it, and that's my mom's favorite kind of baking because she doesn't really like to bake, and she doesn't make desserts a lot, so this will be like the one and only time you see her have a dessert recipe on here. So thank you, Mama Ray Ray, because it was so easy and delicious, and my mom is able to make it non-dairy, so that's what you'll see in the video, and then she's going to put the link to Mama Ray Ray's original video, or for the original recipe below. It's really fun and really delicious and very easy. Of course, I don't get to eat any of it because there's chocolate involved and they don't let dogs have chocolate. But maybe she'll drop me a piece of burger meat because we are having hamburgers with all this stuff too, and I can have that and also cheese. So, Mom, if you're listening, I would also like some cheese and a little bit of hamburger meat, especially since you made me wear gel in my hair and have a mohawk. So, anyway, I hope you guys enjoy your time together as families for Memorial Day, and we want to say a special thank you to those families who lost their loved one in the armed forces for keeping us free. We thank you for your sacrifice and for your family's sacrifice, and we remember them with you on this Memorial Day. All right, now here's my mom. Watch her video. Chef Yoda the dog out.
Hi everyone. As Yoda said, we're making some recipes for Memorial Day. One is from the website and a YouTuber I like to follow called Cheap Lazy Vegan, only we're not making this vegan. It's called an Easy Vegan Macaroni Salad. So I was going to make it as a side dish to go with our burgers and stuff tomorrow. And I put chicken in mine. So it's got 2 cans of canned chicken in there. And then a can of drained diced tomatoes. Then it's a couple of chopped chives. I just use these dried ones. Then a half a cup of Veganese, Follow Your Heart soy-free vegan mayonnaise. It says 1/4 of a cup, but I'm doubling this recipe. So 6 tablespoons of relish, 4 tablespoons of, it's supposed to be Dijon, but I had spicy brown mustard, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and then 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. So that is what is in here currently. Then I'm going to add the pasta that I did. So whatever frozen vegetables you're going to use, you put in when the pasta has 2 minutes left to cook. So I've already cooked the pasta, and I put in some frozen corn with it, and it cooked in the last 2 minutes. So now we're going to take this, dump it into our dressing that we have already, and then put it in the fridge. So I'll show you what it looks like. All right, it's all mixed together and ready to go in the fridge until we eat it tomorrow. So there is your Easy Vegan Macaroni Salad, which is actually now not vegan. Nummy, nummy. And it tastes really good too. I liked the addition of the ketchup. All right, for our second recipe for Memorial Day, we're making a dessert. I don't do this a lot, so pay attention. I got this from Mama Ray Ray in the Kitchen's YouTube channel, and I'll link to her video about this pie below, but it is a no-bake Dunkin' Milk chocolate chip cookie pie. Now, obviously, I'm making a lot of modifications because of my allergies. So we've got a gluten-free Midel graham-style cracker crust. She uses a chocolate crust. I already used mine, so I'm gonna make it more of a s'moresy kind of theme. So I'm using Enjoy Life crunchy cookies, double chocolate. So it's chocolate with chocolate chip, all allergy-free, of course. And then if I need extra cookies, I have my Knick S'morables, which are like graham-style crackers that I can use as well. Then I'm using So Delicious dairy-free coconut and unsweetened coconut milk. Got a cup of that in here, cold. And then I've got a whole package of So Delicious dairy-free cocoa whip, coconut whip topping, or if you can use Cool Whip, then you can use that. So I put a layer down on the crust of the Cool Whip, or the non-dairy cocoa whip. And then you take the cookie and you dunk it all the way into the milk. Get it good and dunked, and then you set them in a layer on the Cool Whip. And then I'm going to do another layer of cookies, another layer, however, until this is gone. If I need to, I'll put some of these cookies, dunk them in milk, and put them on top too. And then I'll show you what it looks like when all the layers are done. All right, here's the finished product. What we're going to do is we're going to put this into the fridge for 24 hours and it'll be ready to eat tomorrow. So that's why you have to do it the day before. So both of these recipes were something you have to do the day before and then put in the fridge and eat the next day. So that's why I'm showing the Monday meal today instead of on Monday. So I hope you guys have a good Memorial Day, remembering those who have died to give us the freedom to live our lives here in the United States of America. And we thank them and their families for that sacrifice. And I will talk to you guys later.